First off, shout out to Connect Toy Soldiers, TOYSLDRS, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Holla at him. So my worst V-Day date had to have been 2005. This dude I was dating hit me up on my job phone. At this time, I was working at Wingwagon on Flatbush, so he hit me up telling me that he wanted to go out. So he picked me up from work, took me home, went upstairs, got ready, came back down. He opened the car door, told me that he had to use the bathroom, so I gave him my keys. He came upstairs, used the bathroom or whatever. After he used the bathroom, we went to Red Lobster because you know we let him biscuits, and went to the movies right after. Came home, had sex, went to sleep. Now at this time I didn't have a bank account, so all my cash was in the crib. He woke up that morning, he went about his business. I got up thinking I was gonna go get my hair done. I go inside of my stash spot and I see tons of papers with the word IOU. Well, it ain't a word, but letters IOU. So I'm like, where's my money? I call him up. He's telling me, oh, he wanted me to have a special Valentine's Day. He's gonna pay me back. He's so sorry. Please don't be mad at him. And I'm like, how you gonna pay me back and you ain't have a job in X amount of years? Like, when am I gonna get my money? Long story short, stayed with him for 5 years, never got my money back, and he used it. It was $500, mind you. Like it was horrible.